Welcome back to my channel. This is day number 9 of our Glam Gore Halloween series. If you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned. So I'm starting off by applying this unicorn prosthetic that I got from Tinsley Transfers, and I'm applying spirit gum to the prosthetic as well as my forehead, and then I'm gonna wait 30 seconds. Once that's tacky, I'm gonna apply that, hold it down, and then I'm gonna start to apply liquid latex so that way this blends perfectly into my skin. Today we are going to be working with the UCanBe Athena palette, and I'm taking this peach shade. I'm going to mix it with a little bit of white, and then I'm going to start to apply that evenly all over the face before blending it out. Once I finish spreading that out, I'm going to take a dry beauty blender and continue to blend that out. Once I'm done blending everything out, I'm going to set it with translucent powder. This step is very important because this paint is an oil paint and it will smudge. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and add some more paint and highlight my face. I did custom make this color using yellow from the same palette and a little bit of white. I'm adding this shade to all the points of my face that I would normally put concealer when I'm highlighting, and this is just gonna add some dimension. Then I went in with the purple from that shade, and I'm using this as my bronzer / contour shade. Once again, we're doing this just to add some more dimension to the face, and then we're gonna go in with translucent powder and set that as well. For the next part of this look, I'm taking some pearls and just applying that around the unicorn horn, and then I'm going to continue to add it to the rest of my face. I did freestyle this look, so nothing was planned here. I kind of was just going with the flow. Now I'm taking the Made by Mitchell color case and I'm drawing on a wing liner, and I decided to connect both the wings and take that across the bridge of my nose. Then I'm going to follow up with some more of those pearls to create this design. Now I'm going to be working out of the Morphe Sour Patch palette, and I'm using this purple shade, and I'm setting all the areas where I applied that cream paint. So now I'm working with the Made by Mitchell color case again, and I wanted to create this avant-garde / whimsical lip. So I'm going in with the teal and the other blue in the palette, and I'm just creating this design. Once that is done, I'm going to follow up by adding pearls all over the lips, and you can kind of freestyle like I did. It doesn't have to be the exact same way, and just have fun with it. And here is the finished look, you guys. This look was so much fun and very easy to create. If you do recreate it, make sure to tag me at Symphony Beauty. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss our next look, and I will see you soon.